तो मला कॉल करणार आहे. He is going to call me. He is going to call me. मी अजून जेवलो नाही. I have not eaten yet. I have not eaten yet. ती खूप शांत आहे. She is very calm. She is very calm. जर तुम्हाला बोलायचं असेल, ती खूप लाजाळू आहे, तर तुम्ही काय बोलणार आहात? She is very shy. She is very shy. माझा तुझ्यावर विश्वास आहे. I trust you. I trust you. तो माझ्याशी बोलत नव्हता. He wasn't talking to me. He wasn't talking to me. तू खूप प्रयत्न केले. You tried very hard. You tried very hard. दाराला कुलूप लावा. Lock the door. Lock the door. मला थोडं पाणी द्या. Give me some water. Give me some water. तू कुठून आला आहेस? Where are you from? Where are you from? ती बाजारात गेली. She went to the market. She went to the market. ती स्वयंपाक करत आहे. She is cooking. She is cooking. माझ्याकडे वेळ नाही. I don't have time. I don't have time. तो खिडकीतून बाहेर पाहत होता. He was looking out of the window. He was looking out of the window. मी आज खूप व्यस्त आहे. I am very busy today. I am very busy today. तू किती वाजता उठतोस? What time do you get up? What time do you get up? मला तुझा अभिमान आहे. I am proud of you. I am proud of you. तिने मला सत्य सांगितले. She told me the truth. She told me the truth. आम्ही वेळेवर पोहोचलो. We arrived on time. We arrived on time. मला त्याची कल्पना नव्हती. I had no idea. I had no idea. तू हे कसं केलंस? How did you do this? How did you do this? मी माझी चावी हरवली. I lost my key. I lost my key. मला तुझी मदत हवी आहे. I need your help. I need your help. तुम्ही इथे थांबू शकता. You can stay here. You can stay here. त्यांनी घर विकले. They sold the house. They sold the house. आम्ही खूप मजा केली. We had a lot of fun. We had a lot of fun. तुम्हाला हे आठवते का? Do you remember this? Do you remember this? तो एका मोठ्या कंपनीत काम करतो. He works for a big company. He works for a big company. मला हा रंग आवडतो. I like this color. I like this color. तिने दार उघडलं. She opened the door. She opened the door. तो मला ओळखू शकला नाही. He couldn't recognize me. He couldn't recognize me. आम्ही तुमची वाट पाहू. We will wait for you. We will wait for you. मी ते स्वतः केलं. I did it myself. I did it myself. ती खूप काळजी घेते. She takes great care. She takes great care. त्याला पोहता येत नाही. He can't swim. He can't swim. जर तुम्हाला बोलायचं असेल त्याला गाडी चालवता येत नाही, तर तुम्ही काय बोलणार आहात? He can't drive. He can't drive. त्यांनी त्यांचा निर्णय बदलला. They changed their decision. They changed their decision. ती खूप हळू चालते. She walks very slowly. She walks very slowly. त्याने मला एक भेट दिली. He gave me a gift. He gave me a gift. मी तुझ्यासाठी प्रार्थना करेन. I will pray for you. I will pray for you. आता तुम्ही कशाची वाट पाहत आहात? What are you waiting for now? What are you waiting for now? तुम्ही काय शोधत आहात? What are you looking for? What are you looking for? आधी तुमचे काम करा. Do your work first. Do your work first. हट्टी होऊ नको. Don't be stubborn. Don't be stubborn. दरवाजाची बेल वाजत आहे. The doorbell is ringing. The doorbell is ringing. आपण आज रात्री जेवायला बाहेर जाऊ शकतो का? Can we go out for dinner tonight? Can we go out for dinner tonight? ती नुकतीच घरातून बाहेर पडली आहे. She has just left the house. She has just left the house. तुम्हाला काय हवे आहे? What do you want? What do you want? मी तसं म्हटलं नाही. I didn't say that. I didn't say that. ती माझ्यापेक्षा वयाने मोठी आहे. She is older than me. She is older than me. तुम्ही माझा मोबाईल चार्जर कुठे पाहिला आहे का? Have you seen my mobile charger anywhere? Have you seen my mobile charger anywhere? Thanks for watching and keep practicing.